What's up, Phillyphyl gang? How y'all doing? Everybody, how are y'all doing? Eat with Phillyphyl gang. EWPPG. Hey, what's up, EWPPG? Happy Sunday to you guys. Alright, yes, this is Soul Food Sunday with the twist. We are just cleaning out the pantry and the freezer today, honey. So, I have some chicken legs that I'm going to unthaw that I had in there. I have some Zumo Party Time sausages. These, they don't really sell them at Floyd's Meat Market and where's another meat market. I can't think of the name of it. But only two places, these hot links. I get them in Beaumont or either whenever I go to Louisiana. I had a package of spare ribs in the freezer. Of course, I got me some King Cotton Cajun style sausage. And I had 1 can of these Boston baked beans, so I'll probably make up some baked beans. I have some barbecue sauce and everything. I had some Velveeta shells and cheese. I'm not making any homemade mac and cheese, not today. I do have the stuff, I just don't feel like it. And I'm going to eat my brioche bread with my barbecue. I'm not going to let this bread go to waste, so I don't want it to get stale. So we're just cleaning out the pantry. We're going to have us a little barbecue. And you know, I still have some leftover surf and turf, but I don't think I'm going to eat any of that. Who knows? We're cleaning out the pantry and we're cooking in the kitchen. And we're grilling on the deck. I'll be back. Say guys, that I looked on the package. These Zumo sausages are made in Beaumont, Texas. My grandfather swore by Zumo. He loves Zumo sausages. And when I tell you these party time sausages, hot links are good, they're comparable. Well, they're better than the Circle B's that you can get here. These are just really good, but you can't really find them here. Only in maybe 1 or 2 spots. All right, I'll be back, guys. So I have cleaned up the ribs, peeled that white piece of skin off the back, cut a lot of the fat off. Gotta leave a little bit of the fat on here. Makes them real better. So now we're going to season them up. I'm going to start with some mustard. Yep. I'm going to do me some mustard-based ribs. Well, you know, mustard is like a tenderizer, so it'll help them to tenderize and cook better on their grill. So let me just get mustard all over these ribs. And we are going to see. Okay, this is going to be good today. And I'm going to put some different seasonings on these ribs. Well, 1 or 2, just one thing really different that I've never used on my barbecue before. I use it in my sauce. I'm like, I know it'll be good in these ribs too. On these ribs. Put a little bit more on here. Okay. Get them all covered up with the mustard. I probably should have put some in a little glass container, but oh well. As long as I get it on here. How are y'all doing? What are y'all cooking? I know I asked you that. Tell me what you're cooking in the kitchen. We grilling today, honey. We got a lot going on. Okay. Let me go wash my hands. All right. Wash my hands. Okay, so I have mustard all over them. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start with a little, I'm going to start with my Saison first. I'm packing up my Saison. Y'all know how we do it. Put that all over there. Okay. Okay, now we're going to start with a little black pepper. Get it on both sides. And I started to just make a rub, but I just said I didn't feel like it. I'm just going to do everything one at a time. Or you can mix it all together and make a rub. Totally up to you. Basil. A lot of the seasonings that I use on my, you know, chicken and stuff. It'll give these ribs a good flavor. I know it will. Oregano. Tell you, just a little bit. This is the Italian seasoning. Ribs will be seasoned. Hopefully they'll be tender too, falling off the bone. Okay, onion and garlic powder. I'm gonna go in heavy with that. This can only help it, honey. Make it taste real good. Okay. Okay, the garlic powder. parsley. These are gonna be good. Yes, indeed. And a little bit of this Cajun seasoning, Louisiana Cajun seasoning. Okay. All right. And last, I'm going to use some red pepper paste. Gochujang. I think I'm saying that right. This is spicy too, guys. I put that in my sauce. All right, I have some here. I'm going to rub this on the meat. And this has sugar in it, brown sugar. You know, a lot of people put brown sugar in their rub for their barbecue, so this has a little brown sugar in it. That's why I don't add brown sugar to my sauce, because a lot of the seasonings that I use, well, 2 of them comes with brown sugar in it. Okay, so I'm just going to rub this all over these ribs. Yeah, these are my spicy ribs today, because I know they're going to have a little kick to them. I already know it with me adding this pepper paste. If you're looking at this red pepper paste, the Koreans, they use it in a lot of their dishes. A lot of their dishes. Okay, I got that all over these ribs. I'm going to go and get the grill started and get these going, because I want them to cook nice and slow, get nice and tender. Let that charcoal get nice and white. I'll probably let you guys see that. Okay, I got it all over these ribs. Look at that. They are seasoned. They're seasoned. Okay, guys, I will be back in a minute. All right, guys, we're on the deck once again. I got the charcoal in there. You know what? Let me do it like this. Spray the lighter fluid all over the charcoal. Let it soak in, because I don't want my meat tasting like fluid. If you guys have some tips on this, let me know. I'm not an expert griller now. I do enough to get by. Okay. I know I've just watched people. I used to watch the Lilies all the time. They showed how they would get their grills ready. Gotta let it soak in. You don't want to just put your meat on it right away after you light it. Your food will taste like charcoal. I've had barbecue for people that taste like charcoal. I'm serious. Or lighter fluid, not charcoal. Lighter fluid. So I'm just getting it all over the charcoal, the fluid. Let it sit in there, soak on them. Then I'll light them up and let them turn nice and white. And I didn't have that much fluid left in this bottle. This is from when I barbecued the last time. So I'll just finish this off. Get those chicken legs nice and cleaned up and seasoned. Put these ribs on here first. They'll take longer. All right, that's all of that. So I'm gonna let this soak. Then we will come back and light it up. All right. Be back in a little bit. We on the grill today, guys. All right, guys. Let's light the grill. I have my little lighter here. Okay, here we go. Let this burn down. Let me step back a little bit. Woo! We grilling today, grilling with Philly Phil. EWPPG. All right. I'll be back. Look at it. It's going good. We're going to let these charcoals turn white, all right? Because we don't want our meat tasting like no charcoal fluid. Lighter fluid. I'll be back. Charcoals are looking white. I hope you guys can see it. It's pretty. Sun is shining heavy out here. It's looking pretty good. It's about ready to put the ribs on there and the hot links. I've got to clean the chicken, get those seasoned up. I'll do those last. They won't take long anyway. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put the hot links on up here. Don't have but a few of those. don't want them to burn, so I'm gonna put them up there. Put the real meat up there. And I want to put the ribs up here as well. I want to weigh this down. Because I don't want the ribs to burn. I want them to cook nice and slow. If I put them down here, I do believe they will burn. It's hot. Alright. That's all pork. It's okay. Okay, let's see how that'll cook up. I'm not going to cook that Velveeta shells. After all, I had too many cheeses in here not to make my own. But what we're going to do, we're going to have baked Mostaccioli and cheese. I'm going to make it just like I do with my macaroni and cheese. I will be putting an egg in it. Then I have some mozzarella, some Havarti, Velveeta regular slices, maybe 1 or 2. Kobe Jack. I have some Gouda, some Monster, and sharp cheddar on top. So yes, this is going to be what, 6 or 7 types of cheeses in the macaroni. Well, baked Mostaccioli and cheese. Okay. All right. I got the water going. I'll get this boiled up and then we'll put them together. See you in a minute. And that grill is going, guys. Be back in a minute. Let's get our baked Mostaccioli with cheese together. Stick of butter. I cooked these until they were al dente. Okay, they're not totally done. All right. Stick of butter, can of pet milk, or you can use whole milk if you don't have pet milk. Okay, this is just what I use. Okay, 2 slices of this Velveeta cheese is what we're going to start with. Or you can use Kraft, whichever one you have on hand. That's up to you as well. Okay. A couple of slices of this Havarti. Let's see here. This is going to make it nice and cheesy. 1. Go with 2 of them. Okay. And don't worry, my hands are nice and clean, guys. Okay, some Gouda. 1. Well, I don't have but 3 left, so I'm gonna put all of it in here. Okay. Now some Monster. 1, 2, 3. For now. Okay. And this mozzarella. Some cheese and this Kobe Jack. Okay. Put the rest of that in there. Didn't have much. Okay. I'm gonna mix this up, and don't worry, the cheese will melt in the oven, so don't worry about that. Some black pepper. I like to have black pepper in mine. No, I do. A little salt. I did put salt in the water, but I'm gonna add a little more. Okay. This is gonna be good. Baked Mostaccioli. Okay. If you don't have macaroni, elbow macaroni, you can always substitute. Also do it with spaghetti. Baked spaghetti and cheese. Now we are going to add our egg. It's cooled down enough. Add 1 egg. That'll help it bind together, okay? And some people make a roux, some people don't add eggs. It's totally up to you, however you want to do it. This is just the recipe I'm going with today, all right? Okay. Mix that up real good. I have my pan already buttered here. Pour it in there. Like I said, don't worry, the cheese will melt in the oven. Trust me. Alright, that is looking good. Now we are going to, I don't want to leave any cheese on here. Want it all. Okay, we're going to add our Kraft sharp cheddar on top. Just enough, it looks like. Okay. All right, get that on top of there. Then I like to add a little paprika and parsley. I don't have it out here. Once add a little paprika on top, just to make it look pretty. And I want to add, if I can find it, a little parsley. Put a little green on it. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put this in the oven and let it bake on 350 for about 20 minutes or so. I'm not gonna cover the top. I think it'll be okay. All right? All right, y'all. Gonna add the chicken legs now. I took everything else off. I was doing too much to show y'all. I'm gonna put these legs up here because I don't want them to burn. I want them to cook nice and slow. And I just used the seasonings that I used earlier. All right, gonna let these grill nice and slow. Okay, let's check the chicken, make sure it's not burning. My little thing that I normally use, I don't even know what you call it, to get my chicken and stuff, it just broke. If I grab this, I gotta go get me another one. Let's see here. Yeah, I want the chicken to cook slow. All right, it's cooking nice and slow. Right, chicken legs look really good. Gonna get these off the grill now. And the macaroni and cheese should be ready as well. Right, the baked Mostaccioli and cheese is done. Nice and toasted on top. All right, EWPPG, the food is done. Let's bless our food. Bless this food that we're about to receive for the nourishment of our bodies. Amen. Okay, yes, we cleaned out the fridge today. Yes, we did. Out the freezer, rather. Grilled some meat that I had, as well as cleaning out the fridge with the cheese and making us some baked Mostaccioli. Clean out the fridge, the pantry, and the refrigerator. Okay. Got my hot link there. It's nice and grilled. This is a piece of the King Cotton Cajun. And this is one of the Zumo sausages, hot links. My ribs here. They're not too crispy. They're good. And then I got the chicken legs back here. You can see them. And then I got the got my sauce right here. The baked Mostaccioli. Gonna have us some Minute Maid strawberry lemonade. Made strawberry lemonade. That is going to be good. Got me a slice of my brioche bread back here. Then my baked beans are right there. And you know, you can I can dip my meat inside of the beans as well because it has a lot of the barbecue sauce in it. Then I have my own sauce. Looking good. Look at that. All right, let's get us a quick thumbnail. Let me see, I need something. Should have put some sauce on it. It's a big old hot link. Okay. All right, guys, here we go. What do I want to start with? Y'all know what I like to do. I'm going to start with a piece of this rib and put some of my sauce on this rib. Mmm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. That's good. That I can taste that red pepper paste. Dip it in my beans too. So did y'all cook today for Sunday? I wanted something different. Instead of the greens and stuff again. Okay. Let me taste this. That's good. Mostaccioli with cheese. Oh, this is good. Yeah, see, the beans got barbecue sauce in them, so. That's good. So have you ever had baked mostaccioli with just cheese? I'm sure you have. Delicious. Let me taste this. I'm gonna knock my drink over. It's good. Oh, that's good on there. Look at that. Telling you guys, the sauce. The sauce pairs up well with a lot of things. I'm gonna try it with some chicken. Let me get down in here with it. I don't know if I put enough beans on my plate. That's good. I didn't eat any breakfast, y'all. I was hungry. Let me put this one in the sauce, the Zumo. can say. It's good. I knew I had another rib over here. Oh, that's good. Spare ribs. I've been had them in my freezer. I forgot where I bought them at, but they're still good. Where's my fork? Ooh. When I tell you it's good, and I love the king cotton when it's grilled, and I like to put the baked beans on top of it. I know that's weird. I even like to dip my macaroni in the baked beans. Get it all together. You can't eat like this all the time, guys, and you can't eat too much of it. This is good. Look at this. Piece of that chicken. That's good. Take me another bite of this Zumo's link here. They really are good. I wish someone was here to taste it with me so they could confirm it for me. One of y'all come over here and taste that. All right, guys. I'm full now. That was good. That hit the spot. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, guys, let's see what you all had to say about Saturday night surf and turf. Okay, Angel Gemini, you made that food look so good. I can't wait till I eat seafood next weekend. Well, let me know how it comes out. And what type of sauce will you be using? Flavors of Family Love, Miss D, how you doing? Those lobsters look good. I never tried the green lip mussels. Green lip mussels. Wow, I need to go get one of those Presto cookers. Yes, it is so good. I can't wait. I'm sending my son one next week. Now I was hoping that Michael could contain himself and not curse. But no, he could not do it. Laugh out loud. You knew you was going to win. I knew it. And when he said it the first time, he just didn't even know. Flavors of Family Love, Miss D again. I was laughing so hard because not being able to wipe your mouth, your expression on your face when you got some sauce on it. I wished I could have taken a picture and sent it to you. I can only imagine. Debbie Henderson, now you know you are wrong for that. Bring me sauce and I have no seafood, and then you have seafood for your video tonight. Oh well, I will get me some very soon. Thanks, sweetie. I know it's gonna be awesome. Well, I got there late. I had already filmed my show. Aunt Fluffy, I didn't know you wanted some seafood. You could have had some leftover surf and turf. Helen S. But you got you some sauce, so just get you some shrimp and crab legs or whatever you want. I'll come down there and fix it for you if you want me to, okay? Helen S., I had to come back. If you keep on sipping that daiquiri, you're gonna be cussing just like your little bro. Laugh out loud. There's still some left. I couldn't drink all that. This is my Minute Maid. It's so good. Marty B. Hey, Philly Phil. When you did that steak in the sauce, I took a bite too. That steak was good in the sauce. Trust me. Penny Crudup, good evening, Philly Phil. Your surf and turf looks so good. That steak was so tender you didn't even need a knife. Keep cooking in the kitchen. Have a blessed night. It sure was. It came out good. Sam's World. How you doing, Sam's World? Thanks for stopping by. She said, this looks delicious. Y'all check her out. She be cooking over there and eating good just like we do over here in Philly Phil's kitchen. She Radiance. Hey, EWPPG. Phil, that surf and turf meal looks delectable. I want some. Thank you for the chance to win your trivia questions. I'm so excited. You keep cooking in the kitchen. She emailed me she wants the Walt 6 flavored pound cake. What's up, Puff Puff Gang? How Uncle Walt doing? Oh, Uncle Walt and Miss Cindy. They was eating some chili dogs the other day. Smitty Smithful. I have that Presto cooker. I love it. Yes. I said, you know what? I bet I can do my lobster tails in here. It's good for everything. B Sugar 100. Good morning, Philly Phil. How you doing? Oh my goodness, the seafood boil. I know it was good. I have everything, well, almost everything except your sauce. It sure would be nice if I could get it in a timely manner, but the post office is still slow in New Jersey. Have a blessed day, sis. Well, just let me know because it's in a canning jar and it will last. Nothing will spoil in it. So if it gets there in one piece, you should be okay. But I've had 1 or 2 mishaps with them, and I just shipped them some more. Sent me a picture, and I'll try to claim the insurance. It's no big deal. You know how that goes. Julia Montgomery. Hey, I got some of your butter sauce yesterday. Jade Montgomery. Hey, I got some of your butter sauce yesterday. Once thawed, how long will it last in the fridge? I'm wanting to use it for dinner soon, so I was gonna thaw some out. P.S. Thank you for giving us some. And your cake was the bomb. I cannot read. The cake was the bomb. My whole family loved it. Your neighbor. Hey, neighbors, how y'all doing? Yes, okay. So I said, okay, you can leave it thawed out if you like. It's in a canning jar, and it will last up to at least a good 3 months. And if you freeze it, you can keep it up to 6 months. You know, I would just, if you leave it unthawed out, just sit it in the fridge. Just keep it in the fridge anyway. But when you do get ready to eat it, make sure you heat it in a little saucepan on low heat for about 15 minutes or so. And just heat it and eat it. And thank you guys for the support. So I hope you like it. Let me know. It's good with steak, ribs, chicken, seafood. Hey, you name it, you can dip it in the Eatwithphyllyphyl sauce. You guys got the mouth. Let me know if you want to try to spice it. Okay, LaSharon Pettis. Ooh wee, you getting messy today, Auntie. Drip, 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 and it was good, good, good. Now I'm a sip, sip, sip. Rose for you. Hey, Philly, I'm glad you did not use the seafood boil for the challenge. You know what? I want to do the seafood boil for the challenge because I can do it. You're right, but I didn't have any seafood that day. I wanted to do it. I was going to really put myself to the test. She said you would have been miserable not being able to wipe the sauce off. Anyway, enjoy your evening. I know. I would have been licking sauce everywhere. Tiana Pointer, what's up, Philly Phil? Cooking in the kitchen, seafood, love a lobster. Celeste Seymour, congratulations to She Radiance. Enjoy your prize. I'm sure she will. She said, thank you so much. Helen S. I'll take the ribeye any day. We'll take the seafood too, but I can't eat it. It still looks yummy. You sure gonna make somebody happy with those leftovers. Keep on cooking in the kitchen, like ZZ said. Mama's Mad Ideas. Watch this twice. You aren't playing fair. Want some mussels. They were good. They were big too. Big and meaty. Julia Martin, hey Phyllyphyl, that surf and turf looks delicious. I love mussels, but never had the green lip mussels. What kind have you had? I received my cake, and oh my God, I learned about green lip mussels too from B Love and Q. I really didn't eat mussels, and I saw them dipping their mussels in their sauce, honey. So I said, well, they can't be that bad, not the way they slurping them down. Seriously, Julia said, seriously, this is the best pound cake I've ever had. Thank you. Going to order the strawberry next. Girl, keep cooking in that kitchen. I'm going to keep cooking in the kitchen, honey. You keep ordering them cakes, boo. Thank you. Wow. Hi, oh, this is Pearl Otis. Whoa. Hi, Phyllyphyl. Your seafood boil looks delicious, and steak. With it, you can't go wrong with the meal you're having. Keep cooking in the kitchen. Big Mama. Hey, Big Mama. You make cooking look so easy. Surf and turf looks so good. Presto Skillet made it so easy. Enjoy. I watched you last night. You did a great job. No wiping your mouth. Thank you. Khadija Parker. Still waiting on my sauce, girlfriend. And she put her address in here. Do you need my phone number, Phyllyphyl? Love you. What I need from you is to email me. Did you pay me for some sauce? I checked. I don't have no money from you, baby. What's up? Why you keep leaving me these messages? Got people thinking I've got your money and I ain't sending you no sauce. But no, seriously. Email me. I mean, if you want to, you know what? I'm just going to send you a bottle of sauce because I don't know what the deal is. Email me and tell me what's going on. Eatwithphyllyphyl@yahoo.com. That's the third time you did that. Well, hey, I guess that's a good thing. You really want that sauce? I'm gonna send you some, and I want a review. You tell me if it's good or not, cause honey, you know you leaving me messages. Big Mama, keep cooking in the kitchen. You awesome. Sandra Butts, hey Phyllyphyl, seafood looks delicious. LaSharon said EWPPG. But yeah, you know, I don't know. I don't want to ever be what I get an order. That's why I don't take orders on my website, because I was getting orders and people had paid for stuff, and it takes like almost 2 months to get that money. I didn't even know they had ordered. So I cut it off, and I'd rather for you to email me and I'll get the money through PayPal or Cash App, and I'll know exactly when I'm ready to send it out. It's just easier for me that way, so I hope you guys don't mind. So Cardika Parker. Okay, email me. I need your email address. Once again, email me, okay? All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel. If this is your first time, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, okay? Press that red subscribe button, press it again, ring that bell, now share the video, all right? Leave a comment too so I can read your comment on my next show, all right? You never know where your girl's gonna be, what I'll be cooking, what I'll be grilling, what I'll be baking. You just never know what I'll be doing. But one thing you do know, I fulfill all orders once I get them confirmed, that's for sure. And you're always welcome in Phyllyphyl's kitchen. See y'all later. Oh my goodness. Oh, a trivia question. What's the name of the cooker we were talking about that I cooked my lobsters in, and who did I say I was going to send one to? Get the answer right, email me, eatwithphyllyphyl@yahoo.com, and I will send you a mug or a wine glass, okay?